Friends, on behalf of Gokhale Education Society, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosai Polytechnic Institute, Nasik Road, I again welcome you all for 1 week summer vacation online certification course in second day, and topic of discussion is online payment mistakes and the security. As in day 1, we discuss about the difference between offline and online payment system. Now we are going to discuss about the mistakes and security measures while doing an online payment. So mistakes, this word is nothing but in online merchants still lose a big part of their sales by making common mistakes. So that common mistakes we are going to study through this presentation. So we can write and talk about them all the time. We give the best tips, but they are always someone who will make the sales in his own, not as we advise way. So advice way is very important while doing online payment. Now security is nothing but secure and protect them against identity theft. So PCI stands for what? Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard has given some compliance for security purpose. That compliance we are going to study through this presentation. Now you have to avoid the mistakes. So first thing, if you add items to their cards but leave your site before buying, if yes, may you are making mistakes. So few common mistakes are there. First, redirecting customers, forcing people to create an account, asking for too much information, not assuring customer that their data is safe, and lack of customer support. By these 5 different ways, you can make a mistakes and your online payment may go into the risk. Now step by step we will discuss 5 different mistakes. Now the first one is redirecting customers. A customer click the payment button. When the customer click the payment button, wait for direction to another website to pay, starts the payment process. Then you are going to fill the payment form. Sometimes there are few clicks needed before sees a payment form. Hits the confirmation button. Once you hit the confirmation button, needs to complete more step to end the payment. Now in this process, as I highlighted, wait for direction to another website to pay. If such a type of message occurred during online payment, that means you are directing to some another platform. So that may be your mistakes. If you continue with such a new platform, that time your online payment must be in a risk. So you need to avoid such redirecting websites. Second mistake is that forcing people to create an account. Most of the website are after redirecting, forcing people to create an account. When a user create after adding items to the cart, creating account is a big mistake. So avoid account during payment process, otherwise data entered by you may be used to be do the fraud. So forcing people to create an account is again a mistake, and if you follow the instruction, your payment may goes in a wrong direction. So do not share ATM card number, expiry date and the CVV in such a registration. Avoid sharing your internet banking login credential. So that security measure are need to be considered while the system is forcing people to create an account. Another mistake is asking for too much information. Asking for too much information during online payment option and you are sharing data can be a mistake. So this is another type of mistake. Fraud web page will ask for too much data. Merchant payments website will never ask for your personal information like phone number, account number, address during payment. So avoid autofill whenever possible during payment processing. That means what? If someone is asking for too much data and data is related to phone number, account number, address, your CVV, ATM pin, so you need not to share that data with that merchant website. Next, not assuring customer that their data is safe. This is what one of the major mistakes we can make. So being as a customer, we need to reassure that our sensitive and private data is safe during the online payment. This point is need to be considered. Our data must be in a safe hand. If they are not taking all security steps necessary to protect the purchase and the information, avoid visiting such websites which may lead into the big crisis. In payment process without OTP, one time password, that means you are not in a safe platform to do payment. So avoid such not assuring customer web pages to do online payment. Lack of customer support. Put yourself in your customer's shoes and think about it this way. You are the customer and tries to pay on your website, but there is a problem completing the payment. He then tries to contact you, but his message are bouncing back. You are sending a completely useless reply, or you are telling a customer to avoid and never come back with the response is termed as a lack of customer support. So you must know that online payment processing is a 24 by 7. If you are using such mediators for online payment, then that may be a big mistake. So lack of customer support. If you found online system is not giving you the support, so avoid such type of payment. So that can be a mistake. Till now we have discussed 5 different types of mistakes. Now we will proceed for payment security. So what is a payment security? Security of a payment is refers to any system designed to ensure that contractors and subcontractors are paid even in case of dispute. Confidential continual identification of threats, vulnerabilities that could potentially impact. So PCI stands for Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Compliance is required by credit card companies to make online transactions secure and protect them against identity theft. So any merchant who wants to process, store and transmit credit card data is required to be a PCI compliant. That means what? While doing online payment, you need to take care of security measures. So security measures are offered by PCI. In this case, checks the SSL certificate. That means what? While when you are doing online payment, you need to check SSL certificate. How we can check? Look at the URL of the website. If it begins with HTTPS instead of HTTP, it means the site is secured using an SSL certificate. S stands for secure. SSL certificate secure all of your data as it is passed from your browser to the website server. As shown in figure, HTTPS must be there while doing online payment. PCI compliance. Now, in short, PCI DSS is a set of regulations created by major payment card brands such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and JCB. This scheme requires organizations to comply with 12 general data security requirements that every merchant needs to follow. Check your payment system follow PCI rules or not. That you have to ensure whether your payment system is following PCI rules or not. The payment card industry is nothing but a PCI has established specific rules and requirement to accept, process, store and transmit payment card information. These requirements are enacted by independent body comprised of major payment card brands. This body is called the Payment Card Industry Security Standard Council. Thank you.